Alright, so here's my shotgun lock system in my closet here. Sorry for the lighting. I've got Mossberg 500 with the pistol grip. And what I did was, if you see those two little wires down here, is this here is a Santa Cruz shotgun lock that the police use in their cruisers. But normally they use a little push button under the dash to actuate the lock. Now right now I've got it mounted onto this bar, and the shotgun can't be removed. You see here I got a little bump here to raise it up because I kind of cut this out down here so that the trigger is inaccessible, although I never keep one in the chamber anyway. But in order to open it, I have hooked up an RFID system using this little key fob, and all you do is put it where the sensor is, and then I can come over here, pardon the close-up, open it up, sorry, and now I have access to my shotgun. And then when you remount it, and close it up, it automatically locks. I can't get in there until I re-engage the fob. If you listen, until it opens. So, proof of concept done on the previous video, and completed rack and everything, all behind the clothes for no one to see, and if someone does see, no one to access. Thanks.